Today I am going to show you how to remake this iconic credit scene of True Detective movie. I am going to show you different methods to do that, as normal method don't works every time. First method is too easy, as you need a clip with a clean background. Then place a overlay clip below your main layer. Don't worry, I will provide you all the overlays in the end of the video. Now simply set the blending mode to screen, and also you can add lumetri color and play with exposure, blacks and white values. And you are done. If this method won't work, I have method 2. Here you need a background layer and a subject layer. Set the track matte of background layer to subject layer. Then duplicate your subject, unhide it, and apply gradient white effect. Set the smoothness to 100% and increase the transition completion. Also add some movement. Select both of your subject layer. Go to first frame and press P and S to open scale and position. Hit both stopwatch to add a keyframe. Go to last frame and increase the scale and change its position. If this method didn't work, then don't worry. I have the last method that works on any clip. Here you need a clip with a clean background. If you don't have a clean background, then don't worry. Just simply rotate your subject and place a solid. Here you get a video clip with a clean background. Now place a overlay above your subject layer. Then set the track matte of overlay layer to the subject layer. Then duplicate your subject layer and place it to the top and unhide it. Set the blend mode to screen. Apply linear wipe effect. Then set the wipe angle to 90 degree. Increase the feather. Then increase the transition completion value to the any value you like. And this is how you can make this double exposure effect. All the overlays and project files of this edit are available for free in my this highlight. Thanks for watching.